Today we're going to be speaking about a special needs trust, also known as a supplemental needs trust. Some people refer to them as an S&T, but it all basically means the same. It's a trust that is designed to supplement instead of supplanting or diminishing governmental assistance that someone with a disability can be entitled to. So the way a special needs trust works is assets are transferred into that trust, and whatever assets are in the trust are not counted against the disabled beneficiary for governmental assistance programs. There are for the most part, three different types of special needs trust. We have what's known as a first-party special needs trust. That means that the disabled beneficiary is using their own money and they are funding the special needs trust of the S&T with their own money. Then we have a third-party S&T, which is someone else, a third party, is setting up the S&T for the benefit of the disabled beneficiary. Then we have a concept known as a pooled special needs trust, and that is where a bunch of different disabled beneficiaries are basically pooling their money together, and that way we don't have to set up an actual document, like an actual trust instrument. And pooled special needs trusts are managed by an actual financial institution. The vast difference between the three, aside from the fact of how they are managed and who's funding the trust, is that a first-party special needs trust has what's known as a payback provision at the death of the disabled beneficiary. And what I mean by that is that when the disabled beneficiary passes away, there's going to be a provision that says that whatever money the government laid out on behalf of that disabled beneficiary has to be repaid to Medicaid first, as opposed to a third-party special needs trust where there is no payback requirement. Now, I want to be sort of very clear that there may be some requirements if the disabled beneficiary is a minor. So if the disabled beneficiary is a minor, we may need to have a little bit of a payback provision in there if the government supported or provided care for that child while there was an obligation of support. With a pooled special needs trust, it's sort of very similar to that first party S&T, where at the death of the disabled beneficiary, if there's any money left over, it will go back to repay the government Medicaid for whatever money or benefits were laid out on the disabled beneficiary's behalf.